Did you know that drivers spend over $20 billion every year fixing damage caused by incorrect repairs, installation mistakes, and DIY errors that should have been completely avoidable? Here is the shocking part. Many of these expensive failures start with a mistake that takes less than 30 seconds to make. One stripped bolt, one forgotten connector, or one wrong fluid can turn a simple $50 repair into a $5,000 engine disaster. The good news is that nearly all of these expensive mistakes are completely avoidable. In this video, we are revealing the 9 most common but incredibly expensive mistakes DIY mechanics make daily. Stick around until the end, because the final mistake has destroyed thousands of engines, and chances are you have probably seen someone make it. Let's dive in. Mistake number 9. Tightening everything as tight as possible. One of the biggest myths among DIY mechanics is believing tighter always means better. In reality, almost every bolt on a modern vehicle has a specific torque specification engineered by the manufacturer. Over-tightening can stretch bolts beyond their elastic limit, strip aluminum threads, crack expensive engine components, or even warp brake rotors. Aluminum cylinder heads are especially vulnerable because they are much softer than steel bolts. A stripped oil drain plug alone can turn a simple $40 oil change into a $500 oil pan replacement. Over-tightened spark plugs can seize inside the cylinder head that often require expensive extraction tools or even cylinder head removal. That's why professional mechanics rely on torque specifications, because proper clamping force is what keeps components secure. Spending $40 to $80 on a quality torque wrench can save thousands in unnecessary repairs. Mistake number 8. Jacking up the car the wrong way. One of the most dangerous and expensive DIY mistakes is lifting a vehicle from the wrong point or relying only on a hydraulic floor jack. Modern vehicles have reinforced jack points, and lifting from thin floor panels, suspension arms, or the oil pan can bend the chassis, crack components, or even cause the vehicle to fall. According to workplace safety organizations, thousands of crushing injuries occur every year because vehicles were not properly supported. Even if no one gets hurt, a bent pinch weld, damaged fuel line, or cracked oil pan can easily cost $500 to over $3,000 in repair. Professional mechanics always work on a flat surface, use quality jack stands, and gently shake the vehicle before crawling underneath to confirm stability. Wheel chocks are also placed on the opposite wheels to prevent rolling. Taking an extra 5 minutes to secure the car properly can prevent a life-threatening accident and thousands of dollars in damage. Mistake number 7. Leaving the battery connected. You are working on a simple starter or alternator swap. You think, I don't need to disconnect the battery, I will just be careful. Then your wrench slips, touches a live terminal and the car's metal frame at the same time, and sparks fly. Congratulations, you just turned a simple mechanical swap into an electrical catastrophe. Failing to disconnect the negative battery terminal before initiating mechanical work introduces a massive risk of severe electrical shorting that can permanently brick your car's digital infrastructure. Modern vehicles are essentially complex local area networks on wheels that rely on highly sensitive controller area network protocols to communicate between localized modules. When you wield a metal wrench near an uninsulated hot terminal or live starter wire, then any accidental contact with the metal chassis establishes an instantaneous, low-resistance path directly to the ground. This pulls hundreds of cold cranking amps through delicate circuitry. This sudden electrical surge can easily blow high-amperage fusible links, melt wire harnesses, or scorch the microscopic logic gates inside the engine control unit and body control module. That's why always isolate the battery before beginning electrical repairs. Waiting just a few minutes after disconnecting the battery also allows stored electrical energy in certain systems to discharge safely. Mistake number 6. Ignoring the service manual. One of the most expensive DIY mistakes is assuming you already know the repair without reading the vehicle's service manual. Every manufacturer designs its engines, transmissions, and electrical systems differently, meaning two cars that look similar may require completely different repair procedures. The factory service manual contains critical information such as torque specifications, tightening sequences, wiring diagrams, fluid capacities, timing procedures, and calibration steps that are impossible to guess accurately. Skipping these instructions can lead to stripped bolts, oil leaks, incorrect timing, or even catastrophic engine failure. According to automotive repair industry estimates, improper installation procedures are responsible for a significant percentage of repeat repairs and warranty claims. Something as simple as tightening cylinder head bolts in the wrong sequence can warp the cylinder head. That may lead to $2,000 to over $5,000 repair. Professional technicians always consult the service manual before beginning unfamiliar repairs, regardless of their experience level. Spending just 10 minutes reviewing the correct procedure can prevent days of extra work and save thousands of dollars in unnecessary repairs. Mistake number 5. Using 12-point sockets on rusted bolts. One mistake that separates beginners from experienced mechanics is using a 12-point socket on a rusted or seized bolt. It is true that 12-point sockets are convenient because they fit onto a fastener more easily, but they grip the corners of the bolt head instead of the flat sides. On rusty bolts, those weakened corners can round off in seconds. That may turn a 5-minute job into hours of frustration. Studies by professional tool manufacturers show that rounded fasteners are among the most common reasons repairs take longer than expected. Once a bolt head is stripped, then you may need bolt extractors, heat, drilling, or even welding a new nut onto it that add $100 to over $1,000 in repair costs. Professional mechanics almost always use a 6-point impact socket for rusted or high-torque fasteners because it grips the flat sides of the bolt and dramatically reduces the chance of slipping. They also apply penetrating oil and allow it to soak for 15 to 30 minutes before attempting removal. Choosing the right socket from the start can save hours of labor and prevent a simple repair from becoming an expensive nightmare. Mistake number 4. Not covering engine openings during repairs. One of the easiest but most expensive mistakes to make is leaving engine openings exposed while working. After removing the intake manifold, throttle body, valve cover, or fuel injectors, many DIY mechanics walk away without covering the exposed ports. It only takes one dropped bolt, washer, nut, or even a handful of dirt to find its way into the engine. If that foreign object enters a cylinder, it can destroy pistons, bend valves, score cylinder walls, or damage the turbocharger within seconds of starting the engine. Engine rebuilders regularly report that foreign object damage is a leading cause of catastrophic engine failures after repairs. Recovering a dropped bolt may require removing the cylinder head, while severe internal damage can result in repair bills ranging from $3,000 to more than $10,000. That's why professional mechanics immediately cover every exposed intake port, oil passage, and coolant opening with clean shop towels, plastic caps, or masking tape the moment a component is removed. That simple habit takes less than a minute, but can save an engine worth thousands of dollars. Mistake number 3. Misusing impact tools. Impact wrenches and impact drivers are incredible time savers, but using them incorrectly is one of the fastest ways to damage expensive vehicle components. Many DIY mechanics use high-powered impact tools for every bolt without considering the required torque or the material they are working on. An impact wrench can easily produce 300 to over 1,500 pound-feet of torque, while many engine and suspension fasteners require less than 100 pound-feet. Using excessive force can strip aluminum threads, snap bolts, crack plastic housings, or stretch fasteners beyond their design limits. Repairing broken exhaust manifold bolts, stripped wheel studs, or damaged engine threads can quickly cost $300 to over $2,000, depending on the repair. Professional technicians typically use impact tools only for loosening stubborn fasteners or running bolts down lightly. Then finish tightening everything with a calibrated torque wrench to the manufacturer's specification. They also avoid using impact tools on delicate components such as spark plugs, oil drain plugs, valve covers, sensors, and most interior fasteners. Remember, an impact wrench is designed to save time, not replace precision. Mistake number 1. Skipping the test drive and final leak inspection. Many DIY mechanics finish the repair, park the car, and assume the job is complete. But professional technicians don't do this because they know that the real inspection begins after the repair is finished. They start the engine, allow it to reach operating temperature, check for oil, coolant, fuel, or transmission fluid leaks, and then perform a controlled test drive. After the drive, they inspect the vehicle again, because some leaks only appear when the system is under pressure or fully warmed up. A loose hose clamp or improperly seated gasket may not leak in the garage, but can fail once the engine reaches operating temperature. Catching a small coolant leak early could prevent an overheating event that damages the head gasket or engine. Professional mechanics treat the final inspection as an essential part of the repair, not an optional step. Spending just 10 extra minutes verifying your work can prevent hours of frustration and thousands of dollars in unexpected repairs. The bottom line of this video is, DIY car repair is one of the best ways to save money, learn valuable skills, and understand your vehicle, but only when it's done the right way. As you've seen, most expensive failures are not caused by complicated repairs. They're caused by small mistakes. And tell us in the comments, what's the biggest DIY repair mistake you have ever made or narrowly avoided? We will see you in the next video.